So in this free TikTok shop selling series, I'm basically covering each and everything from A to Z, like how to find a product, how to list the product, how to get the order, how to source the product, and how to market that product to get orders. Right? So in my last video, I have showed you like how to add a product and optimize that product listing to get sales. And guess what? After uploading that video, I went to sleep, and today's morning when I wake up, I got an order. So I thought before shipping that order, I should record and document it and should make a video on the topic like how to deliver or ship your TikTok shop order. So if you also want to learn like how to ship your TikTok shop first order step by step, then keep watching this video till the end without skipping any part, because I'm going to perform everything in front of you right now. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my TikTok shop seller center. So basically I have got the order and I have not shipped that order because I want to show you guys to like how to ship that order. So I hold that order. So if I go on the order tab from the left corner, this left menu, if I click on the order, so from here you can see that in this tab we are having multiple options like all, to ship, ship, complete and pending. So basically if I click on all, so I will be able to see all of the orders which I have got on the shop till the date. And if I click on to ship, so I will be able to see only those orders which are pending and I have to ship. And if I click on ship, so I will be able to see all of those orders which I have already shipped. And in completed, I will see all of those orders which are completed, which are shipped, and I have got the payment, the customer have got the product and all of that stuff. And in the pending and cancel, I will be able to see those orders, right? So you can see that I have just click on the to ship order here. To ship tab here. So if I scroll down, so I can see this order. This is the order ID, the customer name and the item, and the order status is awaiting packaging. So it says that order was not shipped and the shipment is required, and the shipping method is ship via platform. So basically if you want to learn about all of those possible shipping method on TikTok shop and which one is best, so you can watch my other video in the same playlist in which I have explained you like how many shipping method are there and what you can use and which is the best which I'm using. Like you can either ship by yourself, or you can either let the TikTok shop ship on your behalf, or you can use FBT like fulfillment by TikTok, so in which you can actually send your order or send your inventory in advance to your TikTok shop warehouse, and then later on they can actually handle everything, they can ship on your behalf, right? So in this method you can see that the shipping method is ship via platform. Like I will ship via platform, like I will create the label, I will paste the label on the box, and I will get the parcel ready, and someone from the TikTok shop partnered carrier, they will come on my address or the address which I put on the TikTok shop. So they will come and they will pick the parcel and they will ship the parcel to customer, right? So from here on the right side, I can just click on this create label, and then it will ask me, like, because it's a new account, and I hope your account will be also new, because if you are watching this video, so in this account the default collection method is not set up. Basically the collection method and the collection point is the point or address from where the TikTok shop partner carrier person will pick up the goods. It can be your home address or it can be your warehouse address, right? It is saying that the labels can only be created after collection point method is set up. So if I click on setup now from here, so it will take me to the next page from where I have to set up the collection point. So here you can see that there are two options like pick up or drop off. So if I select on pick up and put my address, so someone will come to my address and pick up the parcel. Or if I just select on a drop off, so it will give me the option in nearby drop off center where I can actually go myself and drop the parcel and they will ship it to my customer, right? So here you can see that under pickup it is saying me like schedule pickups at your warehouse location, and in the second option it's saying take packages to your nearest drop-off location. So let's just click on pickup, and here you can see that the pickup date is next business day. Like wherever I get the address and I print the label, so the next business day someone will pick up the parcel from me, and the pickup time I can just adjust from here, right? So if I click on save, So here you can see that the collection method on this page has set up, and if I want to change the pickup method, like if I want to change from pickup to drop off, I can just select it from here, right? So again, I can see multiple options here, so you can set up as per your convenience, like what the refund policy you want to offer, like refund without returning item, and replacement setting and cancellation, auto approval, right? So on the left side under order, you can see this all thing comes under fulfillment setting. So let's just go back on the same page, and now our method has been set up. So here if I click on create label, so now it should let me to create the label, right? So from here I can see there are two options, like new feature, print labels upon purchase. So select your default icon. Number one is print label upon purchase, number two print label after purchase. So let's see what they are offering. So if I select on first one, which is print your shipping labels during the label purchase flow, so you can get the labels immediately after buying them. In a second option, print your shipping labels anytime from manage and order inventory, and then you can print shipping label and packing list individually or in bulk. So the second option seems good to me, because in which I can just buy the labels in bulk and I can just ship them anytime from the manage inventory order whenever I want, right? So I don't need to get the orders to ship the labels, I can just print them anytime from the manage order. So I just click on confirm and purchase. So here you can see that it says one shipping label created. So if I just scroll down, so I can see multiple options here, like shipping label, packing list and packing list. So from the right side I can see it is showing me the option, like if I want to print on A6 paper or A4 paper. So the default in this case is A6 paper, so I can just select that, and then after scrolling down I can just click on print shipping labels. So if I click on the print shipping labels, the labels will be downloaded on my laptop in PDF form, so I can just print those labels and paste those labels on the packaging, and then I have to wait for the next business day, so someone from their courier team can actually pick up the package from my address and they can deliver it to my customer, right? And if I click on view shipping label, so from here I can just see or view the shipping label which will be printed. So you can see that from here they are unprinted, and I can just click on print and I can just simply print that label, right? So let's just click on print again. So from here you can see that the new tab has been opened and that label has been printed, and everything regarding customer, their name, their address and my product detail I can see on this label. So all I have to do is I have to print that label, I have to paste that label on the package, and then just wait for someone from their team to go on my address and pick up that parcel and deliver that to my customer. So I hope at this point you know like how to ship your first order from your TikTok shop Seller Central. So right after watching this video, go there, print the label, ship your first order to your customer, and later on don't forget to watch my other video in which you can find and explore some other option. Like if you don't want to ship by yourself and you want to send the whole stock to the TikTok shop warehouse, so they can actually handle the inventory and shipping, so you can use that as well, because by doing that you can save a lot of your time and you can just let their team handle your shipping, and you can put all of your focus on marketing your product and get more and more sales. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.